Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to share your Amazon cart with someone. To share your Amazon shopping cart items with someone, start by going to your cart to view the items you've added. If you want to share these items, you'll first need to add them to a shopping list. To do this, click on an item in your cart. It will open the item's product page. Then, click the Add to List button. This will save the item to your shopping list. Repeat the same steps for any other items you want to include. Once you've added everything, hover over Account and Lists at the top right of the page and click on Your Lists. This will take you to your shopping list, where you can see all the items you added. To share the list, click Invite and then copy the link provided. You can send this link to anyone you'd like, and they'll be able to view your shopping list and see all the items you shared. That's it. Your Amazon shopping list is now ready to share. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.